So I want to do a quick video on this portable carbon dioxide canister tire inflator. So this is the tire inflator as such. It's a very simple plastic mechanism. Now inside that is a cartridge. As you can see, the nozzle is poking out this side. So if I invert it and I tighten this up, that will poke or penetrate this this foil, and inside that is a can full of CO2. So you can use that to inflate your tires. It's not going to do much, so you would probably need a couple of canisters like this, and you can get the tire up to 30 psi or so. So just for demonstration, I'm going to use this canister. So what I first do is unscrew this. Take the canister out. So you put it back in the other way around, so the tip is pointing upwards. Okay, so it's going to be a little hard to get it all the way in, because it's going to push again. The canister is going to push against this holder. Now you need this plastic holder, because when the gas escapes, that canister is going to get super cold. So you do not want that low temperature against your skin. So now it's loaded, right? I've tightened as much as possible. Now if I hold this end, and this is the mechanism to release the air. So look at this. So that's how powerful it is, and it's already super chill here. Ooh. So let me see if I can inflate this lawnmower tire. All right, so now all I have to do is press that. So there you go. So this tire doesn't take much, and I already had some air in it, so it was pretty fast to fill up. So it's as simple as that. Let me put back this before I forget. So yeah, it's already super chill here. So yeah, it's nice to keep in your motorcycle or in your car, and maybe like 5 or 6 canisters in case you need it. Pretty simple mechanism though. The canisters, you can get it from Amazon or in your local auto parts store. They should carry it. If you get it from Amazon, they do ship it in a separate like a hazard packing or something, but it's just compressed carbon dioxide. That's all it is. And yeah, it still has some, and oh, it's almost done. So that's all it is. It doesn't refill too much. But so for a car tire, you probably need maybe 4 or 6 probably. This kit itself, you can get it from Walmart. I think I got it for like 10 or 15 bucks. I don't remember exactly. And you probably need this extension hose. I do not remember if it came with the kit or I got it separate, but it's nice to have this this extension hose, because when without the extension hose, if you put it so close to the tire, you probably won't have wiggle room to operate it. So yeah, pretty cool gadget to have though. Alright guys, bye.